Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Trip of sand for Edo State, 30,000 naira. Minimum wage, 30,000 naira. How poor man won't take build house for that country, Nigeria? Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man where they talk am as e be, don't come here today. Come talk about all these things. He don also talk about Sunday, where Posho Fulani herdsmen comot from Oyo. He say make Sunday no listen to any Fulani man wey try to beg am make he change his mind. He say you no fit trust Fulani man. They be snake. Make I leave you now with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be. Make you for hear the message wey bring come today. Enjoy the video.
Hello, my brothers and sisters. Una good evening. Una good afternoon, good morning. Depending on the location, one for the watch of this evening. My name is Chirime Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, aka Tokamasidebi or No Shaking. And they called God No Shaking. Because anything we put for God's hand, you know they fail. Now only God they put road where road no day. Now only God not divided the Red Sea to make the children of Israel like pass. As they pass, now you know say the rest you need to swallow. Now he swallow the evil people, the Pharaoh and the cohorts. That same God, he go do wonders for this country. Amen. All eyes go see him. Everybody go know say yes. Nobody go feel wrestle with God. I dey here this studio this evening with one of my brother. I don't know whether I don't change the name. I don't know because I don't know.
I won't change my name. The name where they bear, they carry Nigeria name. I won't change it, but for the meantime, I still remain Victor Olise.
Okay, my people, we want to thank my brother Sunday for your state. When it be say it give those Fulani herdsmen quick notice. Sunday you try yo. God bless you. Now this kind of people we need. Not be people they talk, no action. He talk him, he back him up. Imagine say we get this kind of person for power, things go change. Oh. And Sunday, you do well. Oh. Thank you very much. When you take the bull by the horn. So make other people they agitate, may they follow suit. No be to they make match. Action. And I also hear say the Fulani don't they beg now. Apology not accepted because they be snake. Fulani, they not get the heart of forgiveness. Forget it. They go play with you now. 10 years time, they will revive that thing you do. They will strike you back. So, apology not accepted. Now, brother.
All right. Good evening, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where we take the connect with us live today. Sunday Ugbo and him be one of the most respected activists right now for our country. And this now because say this man don't look say enough of the atrocities when the Nigerian government they do for our country, and especially in your own state or your state. This man come out with correct boldness challenge the Nigerian government. And when I know say if Nigerian federal government won't use anything they play, no be Fulani matter. So that fight, no be fight for children. Why? Because we know how Nigerian government, especially the federal government, and the way that they hold Fulani matter for head. But this man don't come out single-handedly. Come out say lie. These atrocities when the Fulani they commit for your own community can never continue. Why? Because we get series of proofs why these people they don't tell us say we are never a united country. First and foremost, I'm supposed to talk something say they don't apologize for waiting. You get one video when I watched it, I just look say no, these people are joking. When they form Amotekun, they go interview the Fulani say waiting be una own take about the Amotekun. They say they don't want to make OPC join Amotekun. They go say why? They say some years ago OPC come their camp, come beat some of their members. Now I look say wait, I don't understand. OPC will just carry come on a camp, come beat on their members. una when be say una go enter people farm,
Destroy farm.
not just destroy their
Now
crops,
kill the people.
kill the owners of the farm. Kill the owners of the farm. And una say make we continue like that, make everything dey go like that. No, everything cannot be fine. And this na why we say we need to appreciate the person of Mr. Sunday. This man na person wey don prove to us say any Nigerian wey know im right fit come out and at the same time confront the Nigerian government, especially the federal government. When IG send say make dem go arrest her, na him tell IG say arrest me? Na joke reach this stage. I be una really serious. Say una wan come arrest me. And as we speak, the Nigerian we know any information from the Nigerian government, federal government anymore. Why? Because they know say they don't ask question. They know say wetin they wan start so to finish am, e go hard them to finish am.
And that's the reason why all of us now, all the people wey be now they agitate, this is time for action. All those who are backdoor talking, we don't want those backdoor. And I believe say we get people like Sunday Igboho for those states.
Of course.
We get them. I don't know why all of una dey hide. Make una come out. Time don't reach for us to take the bull by the horn once and for all. Tell friend truth, you know the spoil friend. Now that they beg. Why did they beg? Which means they agree say that they kidnap. So which means they actually agree say that they collect a ransom from people hand. So which means they actually agree say that they kill people. Now this one has to also tell us say the Grandpa Bubu-led government is a total failure. In fact, when it comes to the area of security, F9, if I F9 too big said 0.0, 0.00, which means nothing. Go, no go, come, no come. So that's the reason why all of us, we support me. I support Sunday Igboho well.
100%.
In fact, 100 times 1%. Now I take support 100 times 100. Now me take support them because we need such people when you go confront this cabal once and for all. Not beyond these assassins to Cuba the rest they make noise. We are talking about taking the bull by the horn, taking the horn by the bull. Anyone, so far you take the horn, time don't reach.
So you take the horn,
so far you take the horn, kill the bull. You understand? So now the time, now we did so. When I say me, I don't tie my head. I still be Nigeria. He not tie. He say don't come over Nigeria.
No,
so me, I still be Nigeria.
If my president come, I will know. If my president come, I will know. Why? Because the small life when I don't live for this country, I don't to suffer. The small life when I don't live for this country, I don't to suffer. My brothers and sisters, when say me they do the way they do so, they kill them. They hold this flag. They hold this flag. They raise this flag up.
They shoot them.
They shot them. They hold this flag. They held it. They held this flag. The Nigerian military force that understand the usefulness of this flag. That in the midst of 1 million people, if one person raise this thing up, they need to carry their arms down.
They shoot the people.
But they shot at them. Even when they held this flag,
they shoot them. They say,
it
don't happen for Main Wait, you tell the old boy happen for
when they come for Main Gate, we were speaking with the military men. Soldiers park with their 3 locks. Before una know, 2 white e-locks just they drive, they come. One. As they near us, the next thing. Now me hold the flag up like this. The next thing with the hear gunshot. They fire Jesus. They know they should go up. Oh. They shoot to the Crota, the 3rd road. Soldiers stand with us. They shoot, drive past us, go turn for PPRH, turn, come back again. They fire again. We are holding the flag. I was holding the Nigerian flag. The Nigerian flag was raised above my head. And still, they still shoot. They shoot us finish. Pass, go UBTH. And then they shoot 4 people. Shoot 1 boy for Nyash. Open in Nyash. Shoot 3 people for hand. See their hand open. They were holding the Nigerian flag. Now I say, which dirty Nigeria?
So my people, me I want to tell my brother Sunday Igboho, that apology from the Fulani not accepted. Because they be chameleon, they are snake. And they can never forgive you. Nothing like forgiveness in their character. In fact, they don't get forgiveness for their diary at all. So once you just, okay, we forgive you, let us stay. You are finished. They go plan you 4 years, 3 years,
They go
5
finish
years,
you.
that matter, e no go comot for their heart. They go finish you.
Let them go.
Make they just go their own republic.
Now then they get 19 states.
Make they just go. Get them to go back to their state.
Out of the 36 states in Nigeria, including the Federal Capital Territory,
They get 19.
they have 19 states.
They should just go
Let them go.
and leave us. Be like their cow. In fact, they have enough land to take care of their cow.
Yes.
They should go to Sapisa Forest. In fact, Sapisa Forest, all the cow for Nigeria put together, they no go chop that grass finish. All the cow put together in Nigeria, you put them for Sapisa Forest for the next 20 years, that grass they no go chop and finish. So I beg, may they go back to where from the front corn. So IGP, you know here I say they also do some kidnapping today for a road.
Okay.
You know here who do an army abi no be Fulani.
Yeah.
Now e really tell us say the interest wey the government get for
Na
Fulani cow body is beyond human comprehension. And I go dey ask you, and dey ask myself, which kind country be this? Which kind country be this? But we will continue to dey stand for truth. We will continue to talk am as e be. That's why me I see tie my flag this evening. I represent one nation because Nigeria be share 804. So me I represent one nation. Very soon I'll give una the name of the nation when I belong, but still green, white, green. So that's why I wear am. So we know they look at anybody face. So Sunday Igboho, you have our support. We are supporting you.
Continue, bro.
Continue, bro.
Continue.
Continue. And I wish other activists from other states will wake up.
Don't
Sir,
fit.
you know, say for Benue, if the people strike, they react the way so they both react. That killing for those stuff for Benue state.
You know how many people they don't kill for Benue?
Okay.
How many people they've killed in Benue? Benue don't suffer from this Fulani herdsmen, man. They don't suffer. How will people they work out for our own borders? Our own borders. And these people are visitors. They are visitors. They work out for our own borders. They tell us that they get our borderland. They tell us to our face koro. Let us establish this fact. Cow rearing is a business. Now, advice to the federal government. Tell everybody when you get cow, let them open a ranch. Let them go and buy a land or rent a land. Let them open a ranch. They go to feed their cow from the ranch. After all, they don't dey dash people the cow.
No, they're not paying tax to the government.
They're not paying tax.
Nothing.
How person, a whole citizen of a country, a whole indigene of a state, travel comot for a country, go another man country, make money because say the country no good to make money. Una know am. You wan say you wan start for this country, they will finish your dream. Come back, come look say people dey suffer for a state. Oh yeah, you open big farm, employ people. They were there working. Before you know, the farmers reach here, they don't finish the produce.
Now 200 men the mafia play.
Okay.
200 indigene, 200.
They do finish. Now they go meet the man say, Oga, they don't finish our crop. Oh. Now the man say, okay, man go meet them for their camp. On getting there, they put when they want put for a neck,
They
they
kill
kill
am.
am.
Nothing happened.
Now una say make they keep quiet. Say make they keep quiet. Some people for south carry the talk say wetin Sunday dey start. E go hope say go fit finish am.
Those people,
lazy
they are
people.
coward people. Forget it.
Lazy people. What is it starting? What is it starting? I don talk am and I go keep the talk am. Say the elders for this country, they know the secret. When una ready to tell us wetin bind this country together, una go tell us. Why? Because wetin bind this country together, e don weak.
Do you know, say, all our state government, they never ready. All of them, they never ready to defend the people. Why? Because the people wey dey kill every day, e don pass people wey don die for COVID-19.
Yes, now.
Tell friend, you know this boyfriend. In fact, the energy where our government they put for COVID-19 to sensitize the people, they also use that to protect the people. No, they get problem. Tell friend truth, you know his boyfriend though. Me, I dey talk am as e dey be. COVID-19 dey, yes, I agree. E dey. I know they argue. E dey. But make we begin to pay attention to wetin dey affect the people. Now, that one na for Sunday Igboho. We'll come back to Edo State. Back to Edo State. As me and you dey talk now, somebody call me today. He buy bag of cement yesterday, 2,800. I mean on Friday. Only for am to go back this morning, cement don become 3,700. Waiting.
Okay.
Waiting. waiting for the entire country, and those states are different. So that's the reason why we get leaders. So all the stakeholders should rise up to the occasion, because we are elect now for una to take care of us. We know elect now for una to take care of una pocket and una family. So this is the time for the various stakeholders to rise up to say no. And then they talk to you, don't increase sand. Sand na 30,000 naira per trip, I mean 40,000 naira a trip. So which means market woman when they sell tomatoes, it no go fit build house. Like Victor now when they try to gather small money now, it no fit lay foundation. Why? Because he never even marry himself. The money want to never build house. When the bitch a bag of cement and 3,800.
Only 20 people are invited to my marriage.
Only 20 people. I better make my name Johnny 20 people. I'll make sure say I did. Now, my people, this one are the real matter where they grant. As of today now, they don't increase stand for a door. Wait till they increase stand for a door. Why? I better talk to this man.
Okay, Apostle, you just talk about cement now. Okay, una country Nigeria, una never ready. When una monopolize the system, then what do you expect? The system has been monopolized. Now make I explain that further. For 10 years now, Dangote has remained the richest man in Africa. For 10 years, he has remained the richest man in Africa. And I think his net worth as we speak is about 12.1 or 12.2 million dollars. Now it be net worth as of now. 12.1 I think, or 12.2 million dollars if I'm not mistaken. The second person where they follow him, the person no reach $5 million. This is to say, in the next 5 years, he still remains the richest man in Africa. And they go somewhere.
Using us.
And they go somewhere. Out of that $12 million when be net worth, cement alone give him $2 million. Cement alone. Why won't he remain the richest man in Africa when the government has chosen to favor him? The government don't decide to monopolize the system. So even when we get other competitors, the likes of Boaz, the likes of Elephant Cement, now lie, they are only struggling in the business. Why? Because their policies were not favorable to them. And as such, this man can wake up and do what? And inflate the price of a product for market, and there's nothing anybody will say. But this same product, when they produce for Nigeria, Ghana, you know, reach that same amount. When they sell them, when they buy for Nigeria, you know, reach the same amount when they buy them for Ghana. Now, no be transportation. They use the transport and go Ghana.
Okay. Why
you be say, I want to see dear pass one way they sell for Ghana? Why? Because Nigeria is a nation that has failed to input systems in place. This is why I say I support this move. And I will keep saying it. I support this move. I support it. Why? Because when my president come, I go no. I'm not a kid. I'm not a kid. With my president come, I go no. I cannot continue to live in a nation that pursues and presents segregation. I cannot continue to live in a nation that put in place tribalism. I cannot continue to live in a nation that religion, one religious center, is greater than the other religion. No. I cannot continue to be a citizen of that country. I have the right, yes, to decide and determine whatever I want. I know that it will not be easy, but either you will take it or leave it. We realize that Nigerian dream. I posted this morning on my wall and I said it. That what binds us as a country no longer holds, and as such, Nigeria has to be restructured. Why? Because say our parents, most especially those in the affairs of politics, governance, they have decided not to tell us the truth. Why? Because our founding fathers, they founded this country on self-greed. They never put the interest of the Nigerian people at heart. Instead, they were pursuing the interest of themselves. Now you don't carry us. Reach this stage where we dey so. Now you wanna say make Sunday. Make if you check the Sunday, check the profile where una also say no be poor man. Una also say na person wey be say e go still fit buy bag of rice for 100,000 naira. Even though say government say make bag of rice for 100,000 naira.
Yet he choose to fight for the people.
That same man na person wey be say e go still fit enter a motor when get AC drive. Na same man wey be say the kind motor wey you to get if you pass gallop you no know say pass gallop. That same man na man wey live in comfort come out say enough is enough. Enough. Now una say me I no support. I must support that man who have come out to say no to injustice in continuity.
So my people, still on Edo matter. Thank you, my brother, for that Sunday Igboho matter. And we'll continue to talk about Sunday Igboho matter. I know we know finish am. Sunday Igboho, 3 gboza for you.
Gboza, gboza, gboza.
You are sure that you are a man. You are proving to us that you are a man. So make I quick use you as an example to tell Showore where they say revolution now. Revolution now not to make noise for streets. Revolution be to hold microphone. Revolution now. Action. Let the country wake up. See something they happen. That what they call revolution now. That for you. Back to Edo State. So state government, sir, I beg, make una look into the issue of sand. Sand. Sand are natural. Sand are natural.
I think be natural.
Rain for no be sand full grass. Oh.
No be some people property.
Which property? Which one be property? That the carry sand come from?
No be in our country.
Which in our country?
They
carry come. They carry sand come this country.
Now in our country when you type for so.
Okay, you not be Nigeria again.
No. In our country.
I represent one nation.
One country.
I represent one nation.
That's why sand go the cost.
No. No. This matter for my nation now. With the fighter now. For my nation, they have increased sand on which ground. So for my nation, and speak on behalf of my nation. For my nation now, why would they be selling sand for 30,000 naira or 40,000 naira per trip?
Who's supposed to be in charge?
Now individual they in charge now.
Who be the individual?
They be the so-called big men for our society.
Imagine. Who give them the right?
Now government give them the right.
Okay, so that's
because they get license for government.
Okay.
Because our government now give them license to operate mode.
So on what ground? Now you make the sand take cost.
Nobody know. So then the reason why
you see in our country.
That's the reason why we also expect the state government to come out, tell us what did they happen, why how they don't waka, and why they increase sand for Edo. Why smell the deer? So this is the reason why we will expect the state government to talk to us. They brief us. Stakeholders, so what did happen? Why sand the deer? Sand will be say people feel bad, they build that, they don't feel build that again. Who they use smell the deer? So state governments, that's why we elect una to come out now, tell us, say why smell sand the deer? But funny enough, we know they hear from una. Tell friend truth, you know that's boyfriend. So now state government now give this individual the license to operate modes. So if they don't give you license, you cannot operate it. So we don't know the obubu here. We don't go underground. You understand now?
Okay.
Maybe some water don't pass Gary, so that they try to revolt. They can increase the
and
sand.
of course, you don't notice one of our biggest problem for this country. They say Nigerians don't speak out. So imagine now, I go buy this thing yesterday. As I buy yesterday, 5 naira. I can't reach here today. They go say it don't become 20 naira. Why it become 20 naira?
We the Nigerian because we get sense.
Nigerians will never speak out.
Because we know they suffer for money.
So most times, even the government don't know what they happen. Why? Because
They
they
never
are
know.
So our major problem.
No, my brother. This matter, there is no way you fit to take government never know.
No, Apostle, see, eh? See,
Say people that they share things.
Apostle, will talk true, eh?
Eh.
If you want talk this matter, well, una country, I'm not in Nigeria again. Una
I know say
country.
you know the Nigeria again. So you never need to sit down with me. You get up. You are not in Nigeria.
I know the Nigeria. I know.
No, now.
You. I don't see that
No,
with you.
no. You are not in Nigeria. Please just get
I
up.
don't see that with you.
No. I told you not be in Nigeria. You not get right to put me for a matter.
And they send me come.
No.
Make I come help una.
Oh boy. Get up. Oba, get up.
Una country, Apostle.
Oba, get up. Get up. I said, get up. Get up, get up.
Apostle.
I can get up. I go break your head, yo.
That's not the different una country.
Oba, this is how they do.
Una see Nigeria? Una see Nigeria? Una see this kind of thing. Now waiting to happen for my new country when we don't create. Okay? Una see?
Oba, get up.
Una see?
Oba, get up. You are not in Nigeria. Get up, get
Una
up.
see?
I won't break your head, though. This is the character of a typical Benin people. I mean, sorry, Nigeria. We don't like truth. But
Apostle,
continue.
our problem for this country.
We
be
know
our
they
government,
talk.
no be our government.
No, go make a route to
Apostle
play.
no, Apostle no. See, oh yeah, more analyze them carefully now.
Okay.
Now government say make sure the Igboho come out.
No,
So the Igboho na government.
no.
Now when they come out, wetin happen?
In fact, government even shake body.
Government shake abi.
They even weave for body now.
God bless you now. So now imagine, say God come bless us with person like Sunday Igboho for all the states.
Yes.
Now when government they give an ear, government will give everybody ear.
Don't give us before I'm called.
So who be the problem now? Government.
Now we.
No be government be the problem.
Now we. So which means, my brother, do you know say me I call one person name for Benin now. You know say me I know say they talk am straight. Tony Kabaka.
I dey call, mama, I'm coming.
Go to Europe. I did Nigeria. Victor, go to Europe. I commission you. So Tony Kabaka, and you know say me I dey talk am as it dey be. Tony Kabaka, why you know emulate Sunday Igboho?
Why Tony Kabaka?
I'll record their names.
Okay.
I'll record their names.
Okay.
You know say me I dey blunt. Tony Kabaka, no Mulesh, Shaba, what all of una put together. Una reach to take defend the people. Una reach to say, why una dey increase sand? Make we leave government side now. Why all these people are they call their names? All the stakeholders try to call names right now. Why they know they fight for the masses?
Make I answer you.
I beg, answer me.
Because say them they buy the sand normal rate. We can talk again.
Normal rate.
Yes,
Which
so-
one be the normal rate?
So if the sand before na 3,000,
Yes.
you understand?
Yes.
If they increase the sand to 7,000,
Yes.
if them reach there, they will still sell the sand for them 3,000.
Oh my God. So that's the reason why una no dey talk.
So why they consign them? Apostle.
I mean, when they get their own share, oh.
for una Nigeria.
For our country, no problem.
For
You know say we
una.
don't share am o. I dey one region now.
Yeah.
I dey one nation.
For una to fit make una country work, una must come out the way Sunday Igboho dey come out.
Me and okay now, make me use myself as an example. Me I never dey come out.
You dey come out.
But you don't see the way they see they cost me say I dey come out.
That's why I say the government no be the problem.
Now say now which be now we be the problem.
Una Nigeria people. Una.
You no be Nigeria again.
Apostle, I no dey joke o. I'm not joking o.
Anyway, me I represent one nation. Say I don't represent now 4 nation. United Nigeria. I represent one nation. Very soon una know the name of the nation I belong. But we'll still decide the coverage. But different constitution. Tomorrow I will bring the constitution come out. Then I go tell una what to do with that constitution. Okay, the so-called street governor. See, people they fear, but we will talk am as they be. My brother Victor don't talk am. The problem is say now we be the problem.
Na Nigerian people no.
If we decide not to buy sand, we protest. Government will say, what is happening in the street?
You understand?
But everybody just say,
Keep quiet.
At the increasement now, we say no, the buy cement. Everybody protest. Government will say, what did they happen? Why the people they protest?
As they increasement, before you know, a team of 100 people don't go block down go
They
to the
block
office.
road.
Wetin dey happen?
The increasement.
Wetin dey happen? And they before you know, press go as press carry am with the social media era. E don full social media. Before you know, if government na government wey come get sense, they will come call for a round table meeting say I don't understand.
They
what's
don't get
happening.
sense.
Wetin dey happen? Why una increase this price of cement? They will come talk. Before you know, they will either take it down or they go reach appreciable negotiation.
They go take it down.
But nothing like that dey happen for una country.
For this our country, it's so painful to say, we the masses, anything come we swallow, suffering and smiling. Tell me why they go increase cement, they go increase sand.
Oh yeah, put the issue of custom matter. How person go get clearance from Lagos, carry goods dey come reach Edo State, and the person know say the goods wey dey carry na legal goods. The person know say e no get anything inside wey be say na bad thing. E come reach Edo State here, they come say make e pay 300,000, 500,000. He still go pay. He come pay finish. He no talk come out. Who will blame?
Now
Obaseki will blame.
No, we blame ourselves. No, well, see this matter. Now
why that person
no raise alarm?
No be even raise alarm. Why that person no sue them to court?
Okay. Do you know why they not even sue them to court? We not get caught, my brother.
Apostle, no. Apostle, now you think so? This country.
God did this country.
Apostle, no, this country, we still dey get sorry, una country. This country, una still dey get justice. Either we take it or we leave it.
That's true.
Either we take it or we leave it.
You are very correct.
Either we take it or we leave it. The person, when they charge 300,000, 400,000, 500,000, as he pay finish, he carry the goods. Why you no charge the case?
Go court. Una just swallow.
They will swallow. How Obaseki go take no? How government go take no? The people, we are going through issues and we will keep quiet.
We know they talk. Even when we dey talk, don't say we not get work.
Say we no get work. You can see it.
One say, who be that one? We say, he say, may I go dey preach Bible. Say I don't backslide. I don't backslide, my dear. Make I find your name come out. I disgrace your Tana. Brother, continue. I'll find your name come out. So that may you watch out for YouTube later. May I disgrace you.
You don't understand? How government will tell no?
Wait, I'll pick you. But if government put policy for grant, let me be realistic. If there be policy in this country, individual no fit go get that policy.
Policy, Nigeria no fit get policy.
So wetin come be our problem? Why no fit get policy?
We no fit get policy. Why? Because this country was founded under disguise. This country was founded under greed.
So which means they found this Nigeria with smudge. With and water, I mean sand and water,
no smudge.
So which mean nothing they bind us.
Nothing.
Okay.
Who want to do the policy?
Okay.
The restructure when Jonathan try do when he spend billions of naira to do conference. Okay. They pass into law.
No.
Okay. What I want to do for our country? Nothing. The Nigerian people, una. Now
be the problem.
Una must come out.
Now be the problem.
Otherwise, let us keep enjoying it. Let us keep enjoying it. One man can single-handedly sue. See as Uganda president Yoweri, the Mumu himself reach. After election, he send soldiers go in opponent's house, opposition. Soldiers fly fence enter the compound. Una know say they petition the president as we speak today right now. Court don order say make all the security men make they vacate that house. Immediately all of them come out.
See, my brother, see wetin Mercy Dausa. I know say they abroad and you dey read this, you go watch this broadcast later. You understand? So you have this grace away. Mercy Dausa. My brother, read wetin she talk. Read her comment. They will fire about her comment.
You know, sir, Obaseki don't ever come out talk about the killings. Why you no direct your message give Obaseki? Or you think say na only you know who get cows for Edo State pass Obaseki? Obaseki. No know them. Obaseki no know them. You don't leave God work where you say na your calling. Enter politics lane because of worldly things. You better trace your step back.
As if you are not
before I dey see your preaching.
Okay.
Before I dey see your preaching and your videos. Before
and prayers.
But now only politics videos.
Na so
you dey do. If we reach your house now, na cow meat full your fridge.
Na so. You see my opic?
On our country now.
And people now don't reply the so-called Mercy Dausa. What a shame on you.
On our country.
What a shame. What a shame.
Waiting they clear.
So clear.
Waiting they clear.
You dey see am.
Yesterday they kidnapped one woman for Benin here. Yesterday.
You dey talk. We were dey talk.
Because they never kidnap you.
No, don't kidnap you.
Come Nigeria.
Mercy David, as you dey support Igbo will locate you. See now. So which means for me to dey talk say make things change. So na only things.
Come Nigeria now.
Come Nigeria. If you dey Nigeria, I go meet you. In fact, I dash you church. Go dey preach.
See.
Go dey Mercy David and Mercy Dausa. Go dey preach. Go open your church. Go dey preach. You understand? So make people see your video. Your video of prayer, deliverance, no problem. Though they give you tithe and offering, if that don't be your problem.
So this now na problem oh.
Not their problem oh. Sure, this one in Nigeria, black man problem.
In our country.
Now see, we where they talk, you say we don't backslide. I tell you I backslide. Hey yeah, I backslide Mercy Daosa, you are a disgrace to your husband if you are married.
In our country.
In our country. Yes, you are Boloa.
You are seeing what is glaring.
You a banner.
Waiting they clear.
You a banner.
Because maybe if you afford 5 naira, they give your children food. Come see how children they sleep for street. We they talk, you just say belle they sweet us, say more just they carry the talk.
Yes. No, we they talk, say I'm talking about politics. And they talk.
They sweet us.
Because abroad where you dey, where you carry you go abroad? Come back to Nigeria. Come back. You there abroad. You dey come back to Nigeria. We were they talk, make it change. We say we are worldly. Oh, Spiro, Mercy Daosa, Spiro, now you Spiro pass us. Nonsense. My brother fired the stupid nonsense. Now you know God pass. Say worldly things. Continue.
When una ready,
we go know
for Nigeria. Apostle go know. Because me, we move.
You move.
We move.
If we not ready, I go know. If we not true. If we not ready for this country, me I go know because I never ready. You move.
I don't move.
I be carry that bicycle for carry join body bro. Oya go carry bicycle take run. Go carry bicycle now.
Plane.
Na plane. Carry bicycle take move. If you reach your tire burst. Your family enter very bad bath.
Why? Because when we supposed come out, see the way Sunday go they give us vibes. Belle they sweet us say we yes. Say yes, God will bless you. God will continue.
Even some people even they curse am because they Fulani never kill member of your family. If Fulani don't rape your sister,
you go get sense.
You will get sense. If Fulani don't kill member of your family, you go get sense. At first they never kill any member, you will talk anyhow. Go ask people if say Fulani don't kill their relative, then you know how painful it is. You will know how painful it is. Anyway, my brother, see they say me I go back, me I go to preach Bible. I'll go to preach Bible now.
I beg,
now.
We'll give you land.
I beg, give me land.
Before I come on, we'll give you land.
Give me land. I want to go build church now, according to Mercy Daosa. So I beg, become my members. So you become the chief usher. Come to support me for the ministry. So I'm going back to the ministry now. I won't see anything again. This is the last video you will see now. I no go talk again. So I'll just go back to my church. I will sit down. Make sure you go dey pay tithe to me. 2, you go pay, you go buy instruments. You go build a church for me, and you go put me on monthly salary. Then I go dey preach the Bible well, because since you say na Quran they preach now. The assignment for you, Mercy Daosa. I know you go watch this video. Yes, you are Boloa. Spirituality now you know God pass. Go ask for Martin Luther King Jr. Now priest when he change the world, when you they enjoy so. Since when they enjoy so, now Martin Luther and I do one. So when I say we will not talk again, Victor, I want to go my nation.
No, you did your country already now.
No, I didn't. No. Inside this country, I get my nation. I want to go my nation.
No, Bubu yo.
No, Bubu get level. Bubu na small meat.
No,
Bubu na small meat. Forget.
We don't move.
No, forget Bubu.
We don't go.
No,
we don't move.
No, they say we'll go back to 4 war. I want to go back to the 4 war. Since I think we were this studio they talk, so we'll be unbeliever. So no verse, Mercy Daosa. No verse, I want to go back to the 4 war, I can't get big belly, I can't wear chain. Make sure you buy private jet for me. Yeah? You become my convert. Nonsense.
A country that their leaders are not accountable.
We get leader. We get leader.
I don't get leader.
No, we not get to.
I want to go to the lead.
We just, remember, we just live as we see.
How?
Anything goes. This country, my brother, nobody is answerable to nobody. I beg, talk to them. I beg, urgent call this. I want to come over this country now.
A country that the leaders are not accountable to the followers. How federal government go open their mouth, tell Nigerians, say they don't empower 2.4 million poor supposed poor Nigerians And on that note, they don't spend close to about 764 billion naira. So I ask, what was the sharing formula? Number one. Number two, which database they use take share the money? Number three, who are the beneficiaries of those money? Country where government cannot be accountable to citizens. Now when I say, we keep quiet.
Accountable for what?
Now when I say, make we not talk again.
Paris club money, where they take do? Abacha loot. What did they do?
Abacha loot.
What did they
about $324 million.
What did they do?
No accountability. No accountability. No. Country where government
Victor country.
No, God forbid. Country where government no fit get database of a citizen. Then what are you now using to do your budget?
My brother, their budget na 1975 budget. All they need to add the figure. Add the figure. You understand? So that's what they do. The budget of 2019, I mean 98. All they need to they add the figure. That's what they do.
Abi, una don see organization, institution, family when they plan budget without knowing who they plan for. Na im be our Nigerian situation. The Nigerian government no know who they plan for.
Nothing, no.
They don't know who they plan for.
Nothing.
They don't know our population. They don't know our population. And they plan budget. They allocate money every blessed year. What will it take them? What will it take them to do a proper census, detailed census?
You may do census. You want to reduce the number of cows.
To know the numbers of people when they discuss so that they go fit plan properly.
You want to not reduce the number of cows, my brother. Don't go there.
Now una say, may we continue. I'm very sorry. This country has to be disintegrated. This country has to be restructured. We can't continue. I want to salute Mr. Sunday Igboho.
God bless you.
For this supersonic move.
Now, ma you be.
When you carry so. You don't show us. Say, beyond carry the talk. You get waiting. They lead emancipation. And that is the spiritual power.
And we get that.
You don't show. Why? Because say Adibi say you will just carry the talk. I know our apostle government.
My government. My former government.
The former now.
Yes, now. My former government.
Oh.
No, this one is the
former.
new nation. No, now.
No.
Brother, this one is the new nation.
No, you're impersonating if that's the case.
I'm not impersonating. I'm not.
No, this is the country's flag. And it's not, this is Nigeria's flag.
Country. Oh, no spread this matter. Come on, my brother. Come. We shall be impersonating. Green, white, green now. This country.
Wahala too much.
Wahala too much. Wahala too much. So, God bless you, sir. I love you for taking the bull by the horn. Our government cannot do anything. They don't get interest for our. They don't get our interest for their hearts. They are only concerned about themselves and their family. That's all. That's all. They don't care. So we need people. That's now when they come out, we need people name. Come out, defend your people. Now to the sit down, they go and collect tickets. Defend your people now. Now go nowhere. Come out. You just if you come out tomorrow, somebody can defend you. She no get it be. Even now, she Makedona, it dey shake for two legs.
I no get option.
Why? Because innocent say that person will don't pass and come out. A leader that cannot defend the people is not a leader. You're not a leader. So those of you they say, now maybe the street governor, now maybe come and show it now. Defend your people. There is stand there now. Lead protest to say stand there. Smell the deer for Benin. Speak. Rod the deer. Speak. Evil plank of yesterday. to 1 by 12 now is not 2,500 naira. How market to want to gather money? So that is abroad money. They plug money for abroad. Abroad money. They plug the money. They plug the money. If we were there enough build that, now abroad people want computer because money. Me I do not. Me I analyze this issue. Maybe person will come from abroad. It come with 5 million naira. It comes say this 5 million. I will use 2.5 to build. The remaining 2.5, I'll still give people who come greet me, my brother, my friend. I'll still cook for them. Only for them to end up to use 4.5 million naira to take build. How one country 500,000. Now one country take your family, friend, buy diesel for generator, buy fuel. Imagine one of my friends build a near NEPA office, no light. I go greet one of my friend here today.
NEPA get light for their office.
Near NEPA substation. Now my friend build house near, no lights for the substation.
NEPA get light.
They don't get lights, so na generator they use. That's right. No light, no generator.
Aso Rock.
Na generator.
They get budget for diesel.
For diesel. May God punish them.
What are you now saying?
We dey come for all of una.
Aso Rock get the money when they allocate
For diesel.
for feeding for Aso Rock.
Now
5% of our budget.
who they feed? We food body they shop.
Out of the 100% of Nigerian budget in our country,
Our country.
5%.
Our former country.
5% now they allocated to presidency for feeding.
For Bubu, what you dey shop? Now you never fat. What you know dey shop? When I see go toilet, at the end of the night go die 6 feet.
In our country,
Our country.
in our country,
Our country.
Nigeria.
Okay, former country Nigeria.
In our country, where be say things wey no suppose to dey happen, people no suppose to hear.
Now we dey hear.
E be like normal thing for where people wey go school dey. Na be like pain. Remember our broadcast, was it 2 days ago? That the first caller wetin he talk, he say when people wey go school refuse to use biro
To write justice for people.
to write justice for people,
Illiterate
he
go
say
use blood right down for
if they go
street.
use blood write down for street. That
Exactly.
word, a very powerful word. When people wey get sense no gree enter politics, people wey no get sense they go dey inside and they go dey misbehave.
Oh,
How one person go just carry money, e go dey kill like 5 cows for im house every day. This na wetin Obaseki do for im first turn when everybody dey shout. Wetin he do? When he enter, he say no, appointing people anyhow.
he no gree.
Say no, I no go do
I
am.
no gree.
Why? How go dey pay person 150,000, pay am 200,000? Wetin dey do? All in the name of this position, that position.
Na
He
dey
no-
fight
he no
am.
do am. That was where
Problem start from.
problem started from. Why? Because say he no toe the line of that extra whatever spending. Why? Because a person wey get sense
He did there.
don enter. Why money go dey pass this kind place dey go out? I don understand. When we can use this money
To develop
to
the
train people on solar and empower them. I get friends wey Obaseki train for solar
Wow.
and they were empowered
And I'm making money now.
at the Edo Innovation Hub.
Okay.
Now what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say that not until when good people
We
wey
get sense.
enter government,
Politics change am.
nothing will happen for our country.
That's why some of us they talk now. Some stupid people they talk say more not talk. Some stupid people they say don't talk. Go and be preaching Bible. You go preach. Mercy Dausa, take time. Take time. You dey forbid. Go and put your church. Make members still come. Yeah. The truth be say, community where good people for keep quiet, armed robber go become general overseer. Now every day they talk am every day. Community where good people for keep quiet, armed robber go become general overseer. Tell friend truth, you know the spoil friend. What is not good is bad. So those of una say make I stop, I no go stop. Who turn you go cry. Those of una wey talk say because worldly goods, yes. Now because worldly goods, now go dey talk. E go pain you.
Anyway, I guess more advice for una country.
My brother, advise us.
The advice I get for now is as simple as this. It get consequence.
Advise us.
If una truly like una self,
We like ourselves.
say una wan live in peace
We want to live in
for
peace.
una country,
Yeah.
make una tell una president.
We don't get president now.
Okay, I don't know.
No, we don't get president. No. We don't get president.
Okay. Make una tell person wey dey Aso Rock.
Who now spirit? I been a ghost. We don't put the jazz
But,
up. Anyway, person there.
Okay.
A person there. I
Make
agree
una
with you.
tell person wey dey Aso Rock.
Okay, what you want to tell him?
Say make e allow the regions make dem go.
He no go gree.
Mona
This man no
dey
gree.
I say I wan advise una. I no say
Okay, advise us.
I no say una take the advice.
No verse. Sorry, I'm sorry. I close my mouth.
I no say me.
I close
I
my
don't
mouth.
live in a country. I don't go another country. I don't go
close-
learn.
No verse now. No verse. I don't think go offend you.
don't
Please
go
forgive me.
Say make you allow regions go for 1 year.
Okay. Approve.
Una go
Support.
seal say all regions, let the east go, let the west go, let the south go, let the north go for 1 year.
Okay.
Now before that 1 year go elapse, maybe for the 12th month, una go come for stakeholders meeting.
Okay.
Representative from each region
From each region
go come
to come deliberate.
go come sit down.
Okay.
Now before the representative go come, that means say
Don't forget me. I tell my this thing first.
okay, time for it.
No verse. Continue, sir.
Now before the representative go come, that means say they go don talk to their people,
Okay.
so that people go don take decisions together.
Okay.
So when everybody come meet for table, they go come dey analyse say okay fine, north alpha I dey be
I the build now.
I dey be una, how una still see the Nigeria we fit continue.
Or make we just go like this.
North go say we don reason na go front, we don reason na come back, we would like to continue. So okay.
Okay.
Oya south, how una see the matter, how una think am. South go say we don reason now o, we don reason now, e be like say we no go fit continue.
Nah, we don't continue. We don't
I
continue.
no say make you take decision.
No.
I dey advise una.
As we dey advise us, we don't. Me I dey respond now.
No,
Me I no respond.
you can't go tell person wey dey Aso Rock.
Okay. Sorry.
No work,
No
oh.
verse. Sorry.
If person wey dey Aso Rock no hear, no work.
Sorry, no verse.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, no verse.
They go come call west too go come say no I ma work no
Okay.
we no fit.
Okay.
They go come call east how you see the matter. East go say we dey comot. Now after that has been done, you know say I first start with say if una want peace. After that has been done, make everybody thank God say una country fit get border before.
We get border.
E no go hard.
We just open River Niger.
You understand?
That bridge you
They
just
just share the border.
Eh.
Make everybody dey go. But otherwise, if the regions come say we don reason am,
We want come together.
we wan come together. But this is the terms and condition. This is why we remain together as a united nation. Okay, say we go control our resources as the case may be.
Okay.
We fit come get.
Sorry, I know the right to. You just send me message. Oh, which message I can give Bubu now? Okay. Sorry, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will play the video later. I will gather what you have said, sir.
Na digital age we dey, you fit just share the video give
we just share.
na president.
We will share give
Okay,
their
sir.
president. Their president.
Okay,
Continue,
sir.
sir.
So make each region, if we fit control our resources, we no go get issue with that.
Okay.
Then if the person wey dey lead the negotiation process now come into term, this one wetin go happen for 1 month o, go take time. Una go come decide oya if na wetin go benefit everybody,
Okay.
make everybody make we do am like this, make we come together as a united nation.
Okay.
So that time una go fit come get United States of Nigeria.
Okay.
United States of Nigeria. So no be one region get Nigeria.
Okay, 4 regions come together.
Come together.
Just as we have four this. Okay.
It too near me.
No verse now. I know to go offend you.
near
I know
me.
say the flag they offend
It
you.
offend me. Too near
No
me.
verse. I know say the
Now
flag.
this thing, now my brother and sister hold for our country.
Where they kill them
Where they
all.
shoot them. This color.
It is well. Anyway, we know
So,
okay, time don't they go? Are they hungry?
okay, sorry, sir. So if this is been established, good luck. That means una will feel live in peace and harmony.
Okay.
But if una not told this line, this is the consequence.
I bet what will be the consequence?
That a day shall arise when some people would wake up
They see their children they miss
and they will demand
for justice.
for justice.
Okay.
Not just that, they will make use of any available resources.
Okay.
Anything when they see, anything when like weapon, they will. And at that moment,
Anything they see, you go collect. Okay.
waiting I see for una country, no be waiting they dey smile put.
Okay.
Na my candid advice be that for
Okay.
una.
Noted. Thank you very much, sir, for this wonderful advice. And I go see how that take make sure say their president, not be my president, not be my president.
Yeah.
No, God forbid, not my president. So I go see how he go, their president go fit see am, make he no even dey read sef, and no even know I want to read am. Maybe I go dey play, or dey play, I go dey hear am.
Okay.
He go dey hear am. So na so he reach. Then for those of una wey say make I stop to dey talk, I no go stop. Yeah, I wan advise una. Those of una wey say me I no dey talk about politics, no verse, I no go stop. If you wan cry, cry. Then if you say me I dey preach Bible, na Quran dey preach, abeg. The Bible say go ye to the world, no be only Apostle Alfred na go call. Say go ye to the world and preach the gospel. I dey preach my own this way. So may you still go carry Bible, still go preach. You understand? So they only forbid. The sky too big for bird to crash. You know now, the sky too big. So if you say make me stop to the talk, my brother, my sister, you fail, you don't lie. Oh, I never even start. You understand? So if you there abroad, come Nigeria, come enjoy what you they enjoy. Unless you know the Nigeria. If you there abroad, come back, come and enjoy what we're enjoying. Or else, any of them will come and word the right rubbish again. You will collect fire. I will do fasting for your head. By the time you recover for 1 month, nobody will advise you. You will know, say, not be everything. Then you do commit rubbish. So, my advice be say, as of today, Nigeria, we are not one. That's the truth. And the constitution is a scam. The constitution is a scam. And you also should to run to this country say our leaders believe more on cow than human being. So they don't trust Fulani now. Federal government can't get power. All the police, all of them can't get power now. Now they look for Sunday Igboho. Shame on us, una. Shame. When una value cow, very soon una go collect. So where we no want go talk past, we no go talk wetin God not put for my mouth. Now here we go talk and reach. Una we don't follow us. God bless you now. Una we don't share. Una do well. Me, I dey represent one nation now. I never change you, but like my brother Victor now, it is well.
All right, thank you so very much for tuning in today. We respect you, we love you, and would appreciate each time that you give to us. God bless you. God continue to increase you.
Remember, my name is Senior Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, aka Tokam Asibi.
And I'm Victor Olise.
God bless you. See you guys tomorrow.
Thank you.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for day current with all the things where they happen for Nigeria. So make I leave you with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.